This is the InteliFaucet, an automated shower system comprised of two parts designed to give you a modern shower experience. To start, we're going to go over the shower head unit. This unit is powered hydroelectrically. This means that you will never have to charge this unit. It also takes the temperature of your water and sends it wirelessly down to the central unit. The central unit has been partially disassembled in order to facilitate the demonstration, but we're going to go over some of the components that you can see on the front. To begin, we're going to look at this 2.2-inch LCD display, this encoder knob that lets you navigate through the interface, a power button on the side, and this manual override. So if you were to disassemble the device, you would remove this manual override, then the front case, and disconnect these unique connectors that allow you to connect them correctly. You can't mix these up. Moving on, our LiPo battery that powers the system. It goes in through our voltage regulators down to our Arduino Nano IoT, which connects to Wi-Fi. This means that you can link this to your Alexa, and you can control your profiles and temperatures from Alexa. Moving over to our servo, this Arduino Nano tells the servo what angle to position itself to modulate the hot or cold water that goes through your shower.
I'm going to go over a little bit of the evolution of our device and how we arrived where we did. One of our first designs included a wall wire, which we ended up throwing out because we didn't want to have to require any professional installation and we wanted it to be very easy for an aftermarket install. One of the next devices that we considered was to use a LCD button, a battery, a DIY PCB with a thermocoupler, and the servo motor, all controlled by an algorithm for a very effective angle. We decided not to do this because of the high prototyping costs and a little bit more difficult to design, and we figured the resistive touchscreen would be the flashiest and look the most appealing in the end. We did build this device at the beginning of this term, but unfortunately in practice it wasn't very intuitive, and using a large touchscreen in the shower with water in your eyes and things of that nature, it didn't turn out to be very practical. Plus it tended to use a lot of power, so we ended up backtracking and implementing this design, which you can see in our final block diagram here. We have the cold water and the hot water, which go to a shower cartridge. Those are then mixed and the ratio is sent to the shower head and then to the user. Our device has a thermistor that is implanted directly behind the shower head that pulls the temperature of the water and then goes to Arduino Nano. Simultaneously, we also have a hydroelectric generator that pulls power from that warm water, goes to a regulator circuit, and then either feeds or supplies the 3.7 volt battery or pulls from it to then power the upper device. This Arduino Nano then communicates through Wi-Fi, either controlled by Alexa or just directly to the main Nano device. And this Nano device then uses that temperature and takes the temperature that is desired through the encoder and changes the servo motor based on an algorithm that adjusts the shower cartridge to any appropriate degree so that you'll get a perfect shower every time. Up in the upper device, we have a 12-volt battery that powers the system that is split into two different regulators. That gives the 6-volt for the high torque servo motor, it gives the 5-volt for the rest of the system, and of course the Arduino Nano displays everything on a nice small LCD screen.